Welcome to the Backlash at Backlash.com. My name is Rod Van Mecklin, and in this video I'm going to read part 4 from my 1992 article, Sexual Harassment, No Safe Place, Sexual Harassment in the Public Domain. The footnoted article is linked below, 1992, Bellevue, Washington. Until recently, sexual harassment has been an employment issue, but not anymore. Friday evening, October 11, 1991, on NBC News with Tom Brokaw, Catherine McKinnon, a legal scholar from the University of Michigan Law School and author of Feminism Unmodified and Toward a Feminist Theory of the State, briefly noted that with Clarence Thomas, we have a case of sexual harassment extending beyond the workplace, beyond the term of Anita Hill's employment as his subordinate. In this mold, those who would see men bound in all contexts by the hypersensitivities of some women are attempting to make specious charges of sexual harassment a risk in all places and times where and when women and men interact. Could this extend even to a singles bar or a party? It already includes office parties. Quote, sexual harassment laws may extend beyond the office situation if the offending behavior on the part of a supervisor or coworker, even though occurring away from the office, contributes to a hostile working environment for the affected employee, close quote. The Microsoft Employee Newsletter, Micronews, June 26, 1992, page 8. And feminist organizations like the King County Sexual Assault Resource Center were working to persuade jurists, politicians, and the public that women should be able to charge and sue a flirtatious or inconvenient man for sexual harassment anywhere, over the phone, on the street, at school, at home, at work, at a party, or a meeting, anywhere. How long until men dare not even look into the eyes of women? Quote, looking directly at a woman might seem sexual, a display of flirting, close quote. Deborah Tannen, you just don't understand. Ironically, because women, far more than men, consider the workplace a social setting, they are victimized as much by this feminist-created hostility as men are. As is already happening, women are beginning to complain about a new kind of hostile environment because their male coworkers will no longer talk to them about anything except business. Hostile because a growing number of men no longer feel safe around their female coworkers. This is insane. The time for women to end this nonsense is now. Yeah, in 1991 and 1992 and now in 2015. Eventually, it will be too late. In a future video, I'll explore the uniquely male reasonable man standard in greater depth. For almost 25 years, sexual harassment has been defined entirely by feminists with the intention to harm men. And MGTOW was our only defense. But I believe there is a way in which men can take the initiative and fight back. That's all for now. Check out the other videos. Subscribe to the channel. For the Backlash at Backlash.com, my name is Rod Van Mecklin.